Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Top 5 Best Gaming PC Build Under $600. Number 5 Acer Predator Orion 3000. The Acer Predator Orion 3000 comes in a wide range of configurations, the most powerful of which will be out of most budget gamers' price range. However, the base configuration is much more accessible at below $1,000, coming with a GTX 1660 graphics card and Intel Core i5 processor, backed up by 16 GB of RAM. This model is no longer available directly from Acer, but can still be picked up from retailers and should provide more than enough graphical oomph for gaming at 1080p, even in a post-RTX 3000 world, without needing to compromise too much in the graphical settings menu. Despite being a powerful gaming PC with good potential for piecemeal upgrades further down the line, the Predator Orion 3000's chassis isn't oversized like some gaming rigs. It's been thoughtfully designed to fit beside a monitor or beneath a desk, and the vented front and side panels mean that thermal performance is excellent. It's got that much desired gamer aesthetic too, thanks to RGB lighting and a big triangular power button that is very satisfying to press. Number 4 HP Omen 25 liters. The Omen 25L's rectangular black metal design isn't going to turn heads anytime soon. That's at least offset by its glass panel, but only barely. However, if you're not too concerned about looks, this is among the best budget gaming PCs to hit the shelves in 2022 that won't make a sizable dent in your bank account. With a number of AMD configurations on hand, it's perfect for gamers who prefer Team Red. But those that are loyal to Nvidia's RTX line can partake as well, as you can configure it to have up to an RTX 2070 Super GPU. Still, it's the price we can't get over here. Kitted out, the Omen 25L costs as much as many of the premium gaming PCs in their mid-range configuration. Only HP's offering has more memory and a lot more storage capacity thanks to a multi-drive setup. Number 3 MSI Trident 310. If looking good matters to you as much as power, then you might love the MSI Trident 310, especially if you're partial to a gaming-leaning aesthetic. The angular tower is roughly the same size as a home console, meaning that it won't take up too much room on your desk and could even slot into a TV stand if you'd prefer to use a controller for some couch gaming instead. It comes with an included removable base if you'd rather mount it upright. It's not all looks either. This small gaming PC touts plenty of power under the hood for less than its rivals, with 10th generation Intel Core processors and the best Nvidia RTX and GTX graphics. It's even cheaper than many of the gaming PCs on this list, with its Intel Core i7 plus RTX 2060 Super plus 16 GB RAM configuration, setting you back much less than an HP Omen 25L with equivalent specs. If you're trying to maximize your limited space and budget, this is the best budget gaming PC for you. Number 2 HP Pavilion Gaming Desktop. Trimming that gamer aesthetic look to the barest minimum, the HP Pavilion Gaming Desktop fits just at home in any office environment as it does in someone's game room thanks to its compact chassis and refined LED lighting along the base. So, if you're looking for a machine on which you can both play and work, this is just a ticket, taking out two birds with one stone and giving you even more savings. It isn't going to be an ultra-kitted out machine, obviously, although if you shell out a little more for the higher configurations, you can score one with an RTX 3060 that will offer some more graphical oomph for playing the latest games. However, its lower configurations should be capable enough to see you through 1080p gaming, provided you're willing to drop your graphical settings a bit. Number 1 Dell G5. A unique chassis coupled with a price to beat, Dell's latest in its G-series gaming PCs is a solid contender as among the best budget gaming PCs out there. The Dell G5 boasts 9th generation Intel chips as well as Nvidia's most powerful gaming GTX and RTX graphics cards, but the base model ships with an i3 processor and the Nvidia GTX 1650 to handle many of the latest PC games without burning a hole in your pocket. Of course, if you've got a little more cash to spare, its VR-ready configurations are also on hand, though even those are absolutely affordable. The Dell G5 is also one of the only budget gaming PCs on this list to feature a windowed side panel if you like to show off the internal components of your PC. The straightforward case design makes opening up this gaming rig to upgrade your parts a breeze too.
Check up the video link description please. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel and hit the like button.